you guys, I've got something very special to share today. I have came up with a Ninja Blender jingle because me and my family, we have loved our Ninja Blender for a long time now, for years actually. And I've come up with this jingle, and I really hope that the people in charge of the Ninja Blender company will like this jingle because I like it. I think it's a fun jingle, and I want to share some Ninja Blender with the world. So, here we go. Throw it in the Ninja Blender. If you're feeling lazy, just remember you can throw it in the Ninja Blender. Man, woman, whatever your gender, you can throw it in the Ninja Blender. Gay, straight, even transgender, you can throw it in the Ninja Blender. Throw it in the Ninja Blender. Yeah, we love our Ninja Blender. We love it. It's changed our lives, and it could change your life too. So tell me what you guys think, and thanks for watching.